Yeah, man. Just buy my new amplifier. Running some wicked bass line from the 80s and 90s, you know. Shabbat is best. Listen them tune this, remember?
Just because we play what the people want, them a call us pirates, them a call us illegal protesters. PTI dressed up us, but they can't. Oh no they can't. Yes, if one station